So today in this video we shall factorize the expression, and these all have common a plus b. So we separate here common part a plus b. So remaining in the first x square in the center plus 5x at last plus 6. So now we have to factorize this expression. So a plus b, it is same. In the second part, x square first expression and last expression plus 6. So it is same. So now we need the center part. For that we factorize 6. So it is 2 times 3 mean 6 and 2 plus 3 mean 5. So it is plus 2x plus 3x. So 2x plus 3x, it means it is 5x. So now a plus b, it is same, and now we find out common in these both first and these both last expression. So in these both common here is x. So remaining in the first x plus x already came, so remaining is 2. In the last, the common here is plus 3. So remaining 3 already came, so remaining x plus 3 times 2 mean 6. So here a plus b, it is same, and now we again find out common in these both expression. So both contain x plus 2. So x plus 2 is common, and remaining in it x and in it plus 3. So a plus b, x plus 2 and x plus 3 are the required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.